Welcome friends and family and the internet. This is it, the day's here. This is the day I set off my travels. So you join me at 10:30 on a Sunday evening, running down into Plymouth to get the ferry across to Roscoff. She sets sail about midnight tonight, gets in about 8 o'clock in the morning, so that gives me a full day to get away. I am really nervous, a little bit emotional inside. Just said goodbye to Kim, and I said goodbye to my mum earlier today. Yeah, I'm now going to be on my own for quite a while, if all goes to plan. And ultimately, if I don't like it, I will turn back. But yeah, so we're off to get the ferry. First stop is France. Argentan is the town I'm going to head to. There's not going to be much to see along the way, but I just want to get to the port, get on the ferry, get my head down, wake up tomorrow morning, and then start my trip in earnest. I've been waiting for this for months and months. This last week or two, it's been really hard because I've been pretty much ready to go, and I'm still not happy. I still don't feel comfortable. I've got new trousers on, newish boots, I've got tons of gear on the bike. Yeah, I just don't feel like as one. Got new tyres on, feel like the bike's going to tip over all the time. Anyway, let's get to the ferry port. I might do a little bit more when I'm there. Fine, let's use any one I want, eh? Right, I'll turn you off for a minute. So that was pretty painless getting on board. From about 20 minutes from arriving, I'm actually in my cabin, 9th deck, pretty high up. So, but I don't think the crossing's going to be rough. Only a small inboard. It's bloody warm in here as well, so I need to turn the temp down. But yeah, this is my room for the night. This I do. I always like the top bunk, so I might sleep on the top one tonight. Little shower and toilet, that'll do, wouldn't it? Just to work out how to turn this down. Right, so I'm going to go up and give you a call, Kim, now, okay? And message my mum and that, say I'm all on board, safe and sound. Alright, I'll probably speak to you in the morning, but I'll just do a little walk around the ship and show you what it's like. Evening. We are in France. Six for me. Alright, so I've had a good day's riding so far. This is one of the places I wanted to stop off and have a look at. It's a World War II site, La Petite Chapelle, or La Petite Chapelle, I don't know. Anyway, something to do with a lost battalion. I'll put something on the bottom of here to tell you what really went on here. Certainly see why it was water around this hill.